Well. Okay, the audio seems to work. This is good. Let me just turn. Wait, where is this? Yep, this is supposed to be. Yep. I just changed some settings from last stream, so I am checking if everything works. Okay, this might be a bit too loud. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Yep, I think everything's set up. Hello Zook, hello Nikomi. Actually no, Zook is not that often in chats. Nikomi is though. Yep, Zook, if you want to... Oh, I think I showed it to you yesterday actually. Oh, before I show it to you. Yesterday I ended the stream on a sad note. Because... wait, let me change this back to this. Because what was happening... Let me close this. Is... Let me run the program real fast. Yep, as you can see, it was trying to load material 001. And I had no idea what that was. And I figured out my mistake. I had this .name instead of diffuse texture. I didn't use diffuse texture because... I mean, at first I didn't use it. It was because if we go a little bit down here, I think at least... Yep, it just uses diffuse texture. And that's why I thought they were wrong, because you cannot use just diffuse texture. Let me save real quick. Yep, it returns an error. I actually didn't read the error, and that's why I couldn't figure it. What I had to do was to just do unwrap. And so thanks to that, everything now works. It loads the models, the cube models, and a lot of them. Yeah, I changed the values a bit, so there are like a buttload of them now. But I decided not to go further than that. At least, yeah, because I didn't want to do a lot of stuff off stream. So we're gonna continue basically where we left off, where we have the cubes loading, but sadly they have the wrong texture. So let's continue. Wait a second. Can I do this? If I go... Okay. Use the correct textures. If you look at the texture files of our object is the 3D model we're using, you'll see that they don't match up to our object. The texture we want to see is this one, but we're still getting our happy tree texture. In my case, it's the Phoenix texture because I decided to use it. The reason for this is quite simple. Though we have created our textures, we haven't created a bind group to give to the render path. We're still using our old diffuse bind group. If we want to change that, we need to use the bind group for our materials. The bind group member of the material struct. We're going to add a material parameter to draw model. Let's go to our model. Wait, let me make this a little bigger. So if you go to our draw model, mesh instances, we also have to pass in our material model material and camera bind group. This is also with a lifetime. Okay. And add the same to here. So let me just real fast copy them. So this is it. Now we just have to change the parameters here. So we get in these guys. And then we do self vertex buffer. We already said that. We set the index buffer, already did that. Draw indexed. That is in the very end. And here we do self.set our bind group 0 material.bind group offsets, no offsets. And we set another bind group on the next index, camera bind group, like this. Let me just copy this. I don't even know where we're using this function. Oh yeah, wait, I need to pass in the... I'm gonna change it so it's easier to read. So first it's gonna be mesh, then it's gonna be material. Here as well. Okay, here it's already fine. Then camera bind group. So copy this out. Copy this in here. Save. And change these to model mesh. And the model material. I wonder why it gives them different lifetimes. There's probably some reason for that. Also, this is supposed to be one. Model mesh and model material. So let's see here. Yep, they're the same. Okay. Oh wait, this is also supposed to be B, right? Yep. So then in our render pass, where we're doing all the rendering, we set the... Why does it set the vertex buffer then? There now. Okay. So set them here. Render pass, set pipeline, yep. Oh, we don't set these two bind groups? Oh yeah, because we're technically setting them up later. So this is gonna be self.objectModel.meshes 0 and let material is gonna be also referenced to self.objectModel.materials. Materials. Let's go to materials real quick. Oh yeah, diffuse stick, okay. So as soon as I start streaming, there's someone building a second house outside now. So annoying. Okay. Let's see render pass, so we draw instant, and here we pass in our mesh. Then we pass in our material. And that should be it, except it's not. Because we also need to pass in self.camera binding group. Oh yeah, there's something here. Yes, I have self.camera binding group. Yay, it's so high quality texture. It's insane. Look at this. Cube. It doesn't look like cube. The edges look extremely smooth. For some reason, this Terraria song just perfectly fits the vibe of me rotating around the square. I don't know why, but it does. Wait, how do I go up? Can I... Huh? Huh? I don't even know the controls to this. What? Okay. Maybe I have to unscroll. Why is D going that direction now? What? Okay, I'm not gonna bother with this right now. Oh, the song is very quiet. Let me Just a itsy bitsy louder. Can you still hear me? Because the problem might be that you won't hear me. Wait, let me not increase this, but increase this. Okay. So true, rotating square 10 hours, exactly. Wait, let me do this one instance. Okay, where's the square now? Oh, it's in the very end. Oh, that's gonna be so stupid, it's so far away. Yep, it's there. You can see it. Wait, let me actually... You can see it, right? The square. It's so magnificent. Okay. Okay, let's return this back to self-instances. And also I'm not going to do that many squares. It's not that it's lagging, it's just way too many squares. It's in my nightmares now. Yeah, this is nice. This is a good amount of squares, I'd say. Okay, rendering the entire model. Right now we're specifying the mesh and the material directly. This is useful if you want to draw a mesh with a different material. We're also not rendering other parts of the model, if we had some. Let's create a method for draw model that will draw all the parts of the model with their respective materials. Yay! Why not do it from the very beginning? Okay, let's go to model. So draw model, instead of getting these two, it just gets the actual model. Wow. Imagine. Let's also copy this here instead of these two guys. And here. I'll copy this and copy it here. No, not the comma. Why you broken? Oh, because... Okay, then we pass in the model here. Then for... Wait. Is this recursive? Why did they make it? It's gonna be so difficult to debug this. Why make it recursive? No. Why? Man. I wish we could turn back time to the good old days. Okay, let's go for each mesh in model meshes. Let our material be equal to model.materials mesh.material. Oh, all of that stuff still stays. Okay. Okay. Let me undo all of my changes. This is supposed to be B. It actually doesn't matter because A is set to B anyway, so... And I should probably not worry for using... By the way, this is for zookgd.com. I probably can use copyrighted music, like game music normally. Just that on Twitch, they're probably not going to be checking it, especially if it's like the slow volume that I have. Like if it was playing out loud the entire stream, and I was making 5 billion per day, then I guess, yeah, it could be a problem. Otherwise, I just have to worry about the VODs, and I have disabled the music for them already, so this is a range. Wow, how did these two functions get copied to my copy table? It's insane. Okay, let's see at least what this does. So it basically gets the model instead of mesh and materials. Then it goes through each mesh. Basically, they're... So for example, let me... Oh my god, it's Celeste music in the background. Okay, let's install Blender. This is very entertaining. Wow, it's really starting to download. Let's see, maybe someone messaged me or something. Nope, no one did. Okay, I'm gonna leave this in the background for now. I'm gonna explain later on what meshes are. Wait, since when is Blender on Steam? Since, like, its release. Yeah, I know, insane. Oh, my stream is probably gonna be lagging now because I'm installing its software. Let's just wait. It's not gonna take long. It's almost finished. Oh my god. Okay. So, different mesh basically means if we have a cube, our beautiful cube here, as you can see, it's so beautiful. It's so majestic. We can extract different points from it. Like, for example, we can move this out there, or we can select this and move it out there. This is still gonna be all one mesh, even if we extrude one of the faces. So for example, do something like this. This is still one mesh. But if we add a new one, oh wait, Shift A, yeah, Shift A, yeah, see, mesh. So now that we add a new mesh, let's do something, yeah, another cube. Here, for example. Well, let's move it up a bit. Like, yeah, now there are two meshes. Before, it would only draw, oh my god, cheap viewer said, really? That's what I've been waiting for. Finally. They're cheap. Man, they're always so What do you mean the user ID? Okay, can I just ban you by clicking here? Oh, yep, I can. Oh, and also report terrorism. Yes, of course. Spam. Yes. Scam. It's a bot. Next. Confirm your email. Yeah, oh my god, why is reporting someone so why do I need to confirm my email? What is this? Okay, let's also just real quickly add a new material. Wow, adding a new material really breaks Blender, doesn't it? Okay. I don't care about the name. Let me just set this. No, not this. Base color. Texture. Image texture. Open. Documents. Sprite. Random stuff. car.png. Amazing. Why are you so slow? It's insane. Okay, let me open something else. Where is... Okay, this one. Yes, amazing. You also get added this material. How do I assign to you the material? What? Copy. Can I just like drag this material here as well? Why does it not show up there? Wait, each object... Oh my god, can I... Nope. Just copy full path. Okay, fine. Let's do another texture, image texture, open. Oh yeah, actually it would be a nice test to see what documents. Okay, OneDrive. Nope, what? What? What is happening? Open. What is this folder even? The long drive? What is this? Oh, why is it all the way down there now? Did I revert something here by accident? Probably. Okay, random stuff. This. Beautiful texture. Let's go to UV editing. I forgot it's mode 3, okay. So just do unwrap. But can I select all of these faces and then UV unwrap, unwrap. Okay, so now this should look better. It's better. Okay, so now we export this as an object. Let's go to OneDrive, Rust, Rust macros, resources, save. This is probably not gonna work. Save it, I don't know. Is there a Blender one here? No, let's just save it here. I don't really care. Let's see, did it get saved here? Huh. I wonder if it probably didn't it? Yes, report them for that. Yeah, okay, I already read that. Let's see, let's go to Asprite, random stuff. Which ones did I use? I used this one, so let's copy this. And okay, I guess move it here. And also Amazon package. Yes, and this one as well. Okay, first let's finish this. So the code in librs will change. Where is it? Down here. So render pass, vertex pipeline, draw model instance, and we just use our then we just do self.object model. Let's see, does this work? Yep, but what if we take another model, for example, my untitled object? Oh my god, it actually renders it. Oh, that's insane. It's so beautiful. Isn't this model just amazing? And are these, yeah, I guess that cube model just had soft edges because as you can see here, they're really hard, yes. I said it. What are you gonna do? This is just amazing. Let me increase space between. Where is this? Where is this? Yep. Like to 10. It's probably way too much, but I don't really care. Oh, it's actually perfect. Yeah, look at my beautiful models. Okay, let's actually decrease this a bit because we're gonna need for them to be closer for our next chapter. Working with lights. Let's go. We're gonna have RTX. Well, not RTX, but ray path tracing. Yeah, here. So this is very difficult to understand what they're gonna say here. I'm not gonna try to explain it because, like, to explain it you need to understand it. I do not really understand it. Okay, let's see. Ray path tracing is often too computationally expensive for most real-time applications, though that is starting to change. So more efficient, if less accurate method based on the Phong reflection model is often used. It splits up the lighting calculations into 3 parts. Ambient lighting, diffuse lighting, and this is... I know these words! Except for specular lighting. What is this? Oh, it's that... I think I know what this is. What did this bro do? Okay. Which creates a bit of the... We're going to be learning the Bling-Phong model, which cheats a bit at the specular calculation to speed things up. Stefan stream, no way. Yeah, look at this. Isn't this amazing? This is so beautiful. I know you have done way more stuff than me, but for me, this is a lot of progress. Look at these beautiful models being drawn. It's just so amazing. Global Illumination? Isn't that a company or something? Illumination. Yes. They made these guys. I don't think I'm gonna be able to recreate an entire company, sadly. I'm sorry about that. Okay. So, before we can get into that, though, we need to add a light to our scene. Okay, let's scroll all the way down here. Oh, first of all, let's close all of this stuff that we're not gonna be using. And let's quickly go through everything that is yellow. Your yellow. Wait, I deleted the wrong thing. Wait, no, I did delete the correct thing. Your yellow. And then here, your yellow, your red. And then this is useless, but I'm just gonna comment it out. This, I'm actually gonna need this for future reference, so I'm gonna do here, something like this. I'm gonna save that. It does need the texture point group layout. Okay, fine, I'm gonna keep all of this except for the diffuse bind group because I don't think I need it. Right. Create state binding group. Okay, I'm way too lazy to comment all of this out. It's just gonna have to stay yellow, I'm sorry. So, let's see. Let's create our struct represents C, derive, debug, copy, clone, byte mark, pod, another byte mark, zeroable, struct, light uniform, there's a position, it has padding, whatever, due to uniforms requiring 16 byte for float spacing, we need to use a padding. What? Due to uniforms? requiring oh, okay. And color. Wouldn't that be a constant though? I don't know, maybe. BiteMark user point and laugh. Thank you very much for pointing and laughing at me. I highly appreciate it. How dare I use BiteMark to cast slices? I'm just so insane. I'm mentally ill at this point, you can say. Okay, let's go into our state right after our object. We're gonna create our light source, uniform. I don't think you need to specify the 0. This is not C, where everything breaks if you don't. Okay, what should I use other than BiteMark? Then tell me. I'm not gonna be making my own, so just any other suggestions. Okay. Thank you. I already used C. It's fine, but at some point it gets annoying. I actually wanted... I already gave Odin a try, and I love it way more than C. I also want to later on maybe give a try to C3. It's a new language, you probably heard of it already. It doesn't seem finished yet, so I don't know if I should like try it. I'm probably not gonna use it anyways. Okay, we have already done all of this before, so there's nothing to explain. Oh, I'm gonna be creating a bind group for this. Yep, I'm gonna have to make all of this before my render pipeline. Okay, let's bind group right bind group layout be equal to our device. No, don't like that. Device.create bind group layout web GPU bind group layout descriptor entries. Man, this is boring. Yep, visibility, both shaders. Oh, wait, which be shader? This is the most entertaining thing ever. Can't wait to finish this learn web GPU thing so I can actually start working on my own thing. Oops, I used the add sign. And our bind group. Give you a number between 1 and 10. 8. I'm about to hear a very hilarious joke, aren't I? Oh wait, maybe... it's already too late. I've already put it up there. GPU. What do you mean, no? Alright, Mr. Stallion, if you say no. What? I didn't say so. Oh wait, no. Oh, I misread that. Oh my god, I'm stupid. Okay, what was the point of me saying 8? I'm still waiting. Let's hope it's a hilarious one you're about to say. Yeah, we have to pass on another layout. Light bind group layout. Oh, well, congratulations, you just won $1 million. Wow, where can I get them? Do I need to give you my credit card information, front and back letters, where I live, my post address? Light bind group layout is there. POV, you chose the next Celeste Heartless map for Zook to play. Wait. Hard list, Celeste. Where's the... There isn't a... Oh my god. I don't know which one is on the 8th. Also, Zook doesn't play Celeste. He never played it. How dare he? Zook? Is this true? Oh, thank you. Okay, top 8. Oh, here there are clears. Map name. Solar Purgatory, yep, top 1, makes sense. Funnier version, I have no idea what 5B funnier version is. D1D7, I know that. Dashless Plus, I know that. Krypton, I know that. Wait, 3-6. No, that's... Wait. Okay, that's... Krypton is top 5, so top 6 Madeline votes in the USD side, I know that. Oh, LXVI. Wow, Zook got so lucky. In my defense, I missed the sale where Celeste got $2. I cause I told you to buy it. Why didn't you buy Celeste? Why? Why? Tell me why. I told you yes, it's an amazing idea. Buy it. You're like, how dare you? You're. Blah 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 blah. Yeah, Mrs. Excuses. Hello. Okay, where's our update method? I don't know. Do I have an update method? I do have an update method. Oh, that's insane. So old position, and guess the current position. Then it says the position rotating axis on the z-axis by 1 degree multiplied by old position. I guess it's okay. Into, oh yeah, because it makes a 3D matrix. Don't you blah blah me. I will blah 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 you. Self Q right buffer. Self light buffer. Offset 0. Cast slice. Okay, so it just rewrites the info. Okay. Every frame? Okay, fine. I know your rough area. I know the rough area you live in. I know your name. Most people know my name, but like, I don't care, but you do care. Blachage, yes, so true. Check Discord DMs. Up. Okay, cool. You should make it so the ping only shows up for you. Well, that's fine. Okay, let's go back. And no, Stel, I don't care. Oh, so you're fine with me saying your name on your next stream, right? Zook is rethinking his decision right now. Okay, I'm gonna continue, otherwise I was never gonna be finishing it. Seeing the light. For debugging purposes, it would be nice if we could see where the light is to make sure what the scene looks correct. We could adapt our existing render pipeline to draw the light, but it will likely get in the way. Instead, we're going to extract our render pipeline creation code into a new function called create render pipeline. Oh my god, it's almost like I did this already. But this is done better because it takes in a list. It takes in some other stuff which I just said by default. Yeah, this is better. I'm gonna be using this. I'm sad now. My code is useless. And longer. Why do you have missing struct fields cache, fill a struct field? Where is it? Cache. Can this be none? If this is an optional value, why do you need to set it? Oh my god, grow up, Rust. Okay, let's see. This is basically everything that we did before. We also need to change... Wait, did it do anything with the lights? Oh, this is news. For alpha... Oh yeah, I know what this is. Oh my god! Does that mean that... Dude, Stel, you just picked a track for me to play in Mario Kart and now you're complaining that I don't immediately respond? I can't believe this. What do you mean I just picked it? You know there's such a thing called stream delay? That's what I mean. I said 8 like 5 years ago. As soon as you asked me choose a number between 1 and 10. Okay. We also need to change state new to use this function. Oh, it creates a shader right in there. Like right in there. Okay. Yes, you said 8 and now I'm playing the map. Okay. Okay. Wait, what do you mean cannot find render pipeline layout? Oh. Does it here? Label. Wait with your numbers, please, please. Oh, this is supposed to be sum. At least I choose a realistic... Oh wait. Give me a number between 0 and 4578. 48. At least I choose a realistic number unlike the person above me. Okay. Cry about it, Zook. And it's not just any person. It's Nakomi. Why did it put all of this like this? To make it more unreadable? Okay. We're going to modify model, draw model to use our light bind group. Yippee. Yippee. I don't need this. Why is fs used there? I'm gonna sneeze. Wow, bro's gonna... Okay. Wait, Crystal Garden is 2-star? Oh, thank you. Okay, Stal, if you're so smart, then give me a number between 0 and glfw 2. Thank you, Zook, for blessing me in this time of need. Okay, let's go back to our model. There's so much which is not used here. I'm not using the camera. Okay, let's see. Drawbash. All of them also accept a light byte group, so I'm just gonna copy, paste, with comma, space. I have become so lazy. Like before, I was writing absolutely everything down myself. Wasn't copying anything, and now I'm just like copy, copy, copy. Wait, what? Oh, because I'm also gonna be passing in. Okay, let's copy this now. So much fun. Also, 2 is not an option. Okay. I don't know, tau. Don't you dare say that tau is not an option. It's the best number. No, that's a constant. This guy doesn't even know constants? Wow. Set vertex index bind bind bind. Tau is too large. It's just 2 pi. It's pi multiplied by 2. What's the big deal with tau? What do you mean it's... Okay. I'm fine. Wait, how will draw model work if it does... Oh, it just does one instance. Okay. Okay, so we have to go back to our beautiful state. Well, this is like the most active chat has ever been. And most of it is just like, select a number between 1 and 10. Oh, I need to probably save the light render pipe. There's a I'm about to die. Where is my render pipeline? Okay, a new light render pipeline now. Which I guess fine. What else do you want to select then, if not numbers? I don't want to select anything. Pipeline layout. Wait, if it creates the layout here, why does it It creates it incorrectly here. Wow. This tutorial is also getting tired by like every second. I'll leave for now, by the way. Okay, goodbye, Nakomi. Hopefully you'll come back. Okay, so let's see, layout. So our label is gonna be... Why does it... Oh, because I didn't do web GPU. Pipeline layout descriptor. Our label is gonna be some label. White pipeline. 6 viewers! Wait, before they disappear, let me take a screenshot. Oh my god. New record, guys. New record. Well, there's 6 people watching me copy stuff from the tutorial and trying to understand what the hell I'm doing. Hopefully that's not gonna continue for long. Because it's not. If you stay long... Oh my god. Oh wait, someone new. Set of all sets that don't contain themselves. Set of all sets. Okay, I'm gonna ban Bobby. Okay, I'm joking. I'm not gonna ban. By the way, hello Bobius too. Oh no, Bob Bias, not Bobius. Okay, let's see. So you need the camera bind group and the light bind group. Layouts, of course. And our push constant ranges are gonna be nothing. I mean, not nothing, empty arrays. So after this, we put this. Let our shit. Wait, how does it do it? Oh, it makes it a I'm not a lambda. It makes like a small block here. Oh yeah. Still good job. GG's. I wonder if Whistler is still here, just lurking in the shadows. Okay, so label, some, light. Oh, we're gonna already covered this. So source, web GPU, shader, source, WGSL. We're gonna include string from /shaders /light.wgsl and dot into. So this is creating the shader. Okay, let's quickly create it. So let's open my shaders, new file, light.wgsl. Okay, just so this won't scream at me. I mean, I explicitly choose Russell's paradox because it's wrong. But is it... no idea what that is. Russell's paradox. In mathematical logic, Russell's paradox is a set theoretic paradox published by the British philosopher and mathematician Bertrand Russell in 1901. Russell's paradox shows that every set theory that contains an unrestricted comprehension principle leads to contradictions. Okay, good for him. I'm gonna watch a YouTube video after this stream about what he does. Probably, if I don't forget. I'm probably gonna forget. Knowing myself, I'm definitely gonna forget. Okay, so create a okay. Create state, render pipeline, device, yep, color, format, config, format, depth format, some, okay, we need to do some enters here. Some, texture, depth format, okay, let's do this. Okay, vertex layouts. Model vertex, and description of them. And the shader. Do this. And don't forget the semicolon. I'm still shocked that I reached 6 viewers. That's so insane. I choose to create a separate layout for the light render pipeline, as it doesn't need all the resources that the regular render. Wait, why do we need the pipeline though? Why do we need to create a render pipeline for a light? Is it gonna be like somehow no, it still returns the color. Just light. What? There is so much stuff here. Okay, let's go one by one. First, let's create the shader. We create a new camera struct, which has the view projection. That's explanatory, self-explanatory. Create on the group 0 and binding. Also 0, var, type uniform, camera. Okay. Style, when I ask you to choose a number again, can you remind me to not throw a bomb at myself again? Sure! Why not? I'm gonna try my best to remember that, don't worry. Okay, struct light. It's gonna have position, vec3 of f32. We have our color, vec3 of f32. Actually, vec4. Oh, vec3. Oh. Wow, we're gonna be using different groups. Insane. Okay, binding 0. Our var again is a uniform. Light. Type light. Struct vertex output. Built in. Okay, we're taking the built-in position. I don't know why it calls it clip position. I do not like that. There's probably some very fancy term. But I just didn't like it. Okay, so from the first location, create our color, f3, f32. Okay, so the vertex shader. Oh, I didn't do vertex input. Vertex input is going to be location 0 position vector 3 f32. I'm going to grab my pen. No, don't. That is against the law. Yeah. This guy has a plan. Yeah. Okay, so vertex function fvs main model. Oh my god, there's so much stuff here. Input, vertex output, scale. What is that scale? Why do I need the scale? Huh? Variable out, vertex output, out.clip position, camera, view projection, multiplied by vector 4 of f32 of model, position, and 1. Oh, multiplied by scale. Why does it multiply by scale? Okay, plus y dot position. Add 1. Never forget the 1. Out color. Take our light color. Return out. And the fragment shader, oh, it's just a basic fragment shader, just returns the color. Okay. After I changed all of these functions, did it tell me to change something? Nope, it did not. Okay, in our model, now we're gonna be drawing a light of... I really do not want to be writing all this. This is basically all the same. Wait, is it? Yeah, it's just the same, it just doesn't get the material. I'm just gonna copy the trait, not everything else. Implement. I still don't get why I need to make them different lifetimes. If they're still gonna be the same lifetime, like that's just what? Can I quickly implement all of these functions? Oh, amazing. Oh, then I can do just self draw light mesh instanced. Mesh, this is only one. And this, okay. Oh, I cannot, I'll skip to this, that's sad. So that vertex buffer, 0, vertex slice. It's gonna take slice of vertex buffer. So that index buffer. Why does it use uint32 all of a sudden? We used uint16, right? Oh, no, we used 32 here. Where did we use uint16 then? I'm probably going mental insane. Happens to the best of us. I hate... I'll go now. Bye. I hate keyboards. Bye. Bye, I guess. zookgeometry-.com. Ugh. For how long have I been streaming? Let's see. Probably not long. Yeah, just 1 hour. So... set bind group. First we set our camera bind group. Our offsets, nothing. And we set bind group, our light bind group. Again, nothing. Then we draw it. Don't call me that I'm not a website, website, jeez. Wow. You really don't know how to type. I mean, to be honest, I also make mistakes every like couple milliseconds or so. So it's not all bad. Don't worry. Why can I not get number of elements from mesh? Why can't I get number of elements? Why does it not allow me instance? Okay, it showed me that. Okay, and here we just do self.light Draw light model instanced. Model 01, camera, bind group, light, bind group. Okay, amazing. And here's draw again instanced. This time mesh, instances that clone. Camera bind group, light bind group. Done. Oh, yeah, I need to go through each mesh. For mesh and model meshes. We're back to 2 viewers, that's bad. I mean, not bad. That means that there's at least some other person watching. That's good enough for me. Okay, now I need to rename all of these to model meshes because, yeah, that's how I named them. This and this. Yep. Oh my god, Strawberry Dreamland. Strawberry Jam songs, let's go. I should add some more Strawberry Jam songs. I wanted to add Pinball Purgatory, but then I was like, nah, but now that I'm thinking about it, I'm actually gonna add it. Pinball Purgatory. Okay, save to playlist. Okay, let's play this song. I love Bomber. Such an amazing level, and the song, oh my god, it's a banger. So we set the vertex buffer, then, okay, let me remove all of these comments, they're not correct anymore. We set the vertex buffer, then we use our create model. Oh wait, no, we use create, no, we use, oh yeah, I can just do model, draw light. We set our pipeline to light pipeline. Oh, I need to add them. Let's see, so I probably need to add this. Yeah, probably that's it. Okay, where's render pipeline? Light render pipeline. Then in self, let's go light render pipeline. Amazing. Render pass dot draw. Wait, what? Wait, what? I just noticed this. How the hell is... Oh, we're implementing it for render pass. Oh my god, you can do that? Oh, I mean, makes sense. That's still cool. It makes sense, a lot of sense. I just didn't... Okay. Okay. Okay, so we draw in the right model, so we do self dot object model. Do we need to do a reference? We do need to do a reference. Camera bind group is just self dot camera bind group, and this is just self dot light bind group. And then we just do this. Okay, also need a light bind group. Okay, I also need to do use model, draw model. Oh, it's gonna look hella wonky, isn't it? Oh, we'll see. I knew that there's gonna be some spelling mistakes here. Let me just copy it. The shader is simple now that I can understand it, so I'm just gonna copy it here. Where is this? Set. What the hell is this? Set this to 3. And where are we loading our model? Here. Let's load cube object. What is this melody? Nope. Nope, let's just do shuffle play. Bum, bum. About to wait. What if I save the event? Okay, in self, I'm going to event, no, call it key event. It's going to be a key event. It's going to be an option, of course. So it's going to be key event none. And then here in keyboard input, instead of calling this function, I'm gonna set self.keyEvent to event. So then this is not used. Because what I'm gonna do is after this, I'm gonna call process input. Self.key event. This is gonna be unwrap or web GPU. Oh wait, this key event. Just unwrap or none. Can I do this? Wait, can I do sum of none? That's gonna be hilarious. No, I can't. It would have been good though. Unwrap or just unwrap. Just borrow this. Oh wait, why do I even need to do that? Instead of this, I'm just gonna do self.key event dot unwrap. I can close this function. Same thing here. Yep. Oh yeah, process input is never called. Oh wait, I can call it here and just pass the event loop. What do you mean two arguments? Need to pass in self? Okay. See now. What the hell is happening? What is this? What did I just do? What? What? When I don't move my mouse, it's fine. Okay, what? Yeah, look at this. So first of all, the light position only updates when I move, which is weird. Second of all, if I move my mouse, I move extremely fast. So for example, I move back, and then I start moving my mouse and it just like zoom out so fast. And if I want to go back in, I just scroll, spin. Ah! What is this? What is happening? What's this? What is this BS? Why is there like no update function in here? Okay. Time to check something. Nope. Okay, let's go to dependencies and Windows, tracking issue. Go back to working with lights. It just doesn't have those functions here. What do I... Man, winit is so ass. It's insane. There's no update function. Oh my god. %? Wow, that's insane. Okay, bye bye. Why do you need it open? If you're not gonna be here, no one is gonna be chatting, so... Yep. It's FTP unstable. My PC is okay. How do I make a loop? Nope. Oh my god. Panico me. Oh my god. Yeah, how the hell does it do it? okay. Where are my projects? Frick. Let's see. How does it create surface here? Instance that create. Oh my god! This is so stupid. I hate everything right now. The surface. Yes, it borrows it. That seems to fix it. Okay, let's see. So this is gonna have an error style, that's fine. So for each event, can I see the, okay, key. So let's do key here, action. So it takes a key, and action as action. If key is equal to how did I exit out of the window? Okay, state. Give me a reference to state. Here it's gonna be wait, process state key action this. Okay, let me just actually replace this for this and this for this, because it's also gonna do state dot camera controller dot process events. It's not an event. It is gonna be a key. Yep, I'm gonna check if the key is W. Let me remove all of these other ones. Okay, then this is gonna be key A. This is gonna be key S. And this is gonna be key D. So for each event, I'm gonna do this key so it's key code is better even, let's say. Let's see, I don't need winit here. Update camera. I mean, okay. See. I cannot find the value event because this is key. Yep. What's this? Okay, I'm gonna fix that later. But for now, why isn't processing any inputs? Let's see, let's do this is my code, this is my code. Maybe this will help. Oh, I'm wondering, it starts saying outdated exactly when. Till fine. Inputs. I move the window. Still fine. So it's upon resize, it becomes outdated. Okay. Let's now debug this action. Key. So it's press or action equals action release. Oh, wait, not release, repeat. And else, I'm gonna go to here, copy all of this, save, go here, and instead of doing that, I'm just gonna do something like this. Why is nothing happening? Does it work if I press escape? Yep, it does. But in other cases, oh, this function never gets called. Update camera never gets called. So after this, I'm gonna do state.camera controller update camera. It's gonna be state.camera. Let's see. Why is it not doing anything? Okay, so let's delete all of this useless stuff. So everything is being drawn fine. I have to update the state, not the. Okay. Why does it do that? If is right pressed. What I can do is just like do this here. Also, it seems to do it in two different ones, so I'm also going to do that. Let me do this and then copy this here and copy this out and paste it here. Alright, why is it created twice? Okay. That seems broken, but it works. Let's open our camera. Okay, let's open state. Okay, everything is almost finished. Oh my god, I'm so close to finishing this. Where is... get delta time. Wait, I'm not gonna search here, I'm gonna still need that get delta time gltf. Oh, glfw. What is the formula again? So we're gonna create a current frame. So our current frame, let mutable current frame be equal glw get time then let also let the last frame just be f64. Last frame equals current frame. Current frame equals glfw dot get time. Delta time. Oh, then we let delta okay. Then in the update, we ask for delta time f64. Nope. Let's see, this should... Yep, it's moving way slower now. Just make it 5 times faster. So this is fixed. I mean, it's not fixed, it's just modified, so it's normal speeds. Yep, that's good enough speed. Okay, let's go up here. What is useless? What do you mean config and size are never used? resize. Let's see how I did that here. So I have a function inner state. It's a public function. Update surface. It's variable of self. Is gonna self dot surface be equal to self dot instance. What? Why can I not get access to instance? Where is it used after? Tell me. What do you? It returns the same thing. Okay, so now instance is going to be arc instance clone. We have to set this to arc. So dot instance dot clone dot create surface target window dot render context, and we unwrap that. So it's gonna be self dot window dot render context dot unwrap. So now let's go back to, okay, fine, let's not go back to that. Let's see, where did I see it? Okay. Look at this. So how do we do this here? We do match state.render, okay. So close to finishing this. What do you mean it's never read? What's that supposed to mean? Okay, that's some stupid stuff. So let's close this. We don't need this, we don't need this. Let's now run this. Oh my god, that takes a while to scale up. Oh, that didn't. Why does it freeze when I do this? But if I switch from full screen to this, it's fine. Let's see, so the main problem is definitely me using, where is it? Update surface. Okay, this is fine. This is gonna be it for today, as have streamed for way longer than I should have. I just realized that winit is very bad and I don't want to use it, so I switched to glfw, I mean. And yeah, everything seems to work well, so we're gonna continue with lights tomorrow, sadly. I hoped finishing it today, but it seems as though we're not gonna be able to do that. Thanks everyone for coming. It was very nice of you. Oops, wrong window. Thanks for coming.